We are all guessing about how it got there. We have really no idea.
Volunteer gardeners thought the Yawkey family planted this grapevine around 1910, but recent tests show it was there long before the house was built.
My guess is it was planted by a bird or a little animal, and it has just persevered all these years.
How many years? Lab results say 170. Some vineyards in Europe have vines that old, but not many.
For a native plant in an urban setting to last that long, that is highly unusual.
The grape is called Vitis labrusca. It's the grandfather of the famous Concord grape, but it's no longer grown commercially. That could change.
What started it is restoring the grapevine to its natural beauty. It needed some help.
A local winemaker helped prune the overgrown vine, then he planted the cuttings. Now those can be sold and grown into new vines.
Potential is endless because every year it's going to have to be pruned, so we'll have a source of revenue for the Historical Society for years.
The Historical Society hopes to uncork even more possibilities from this vine.
You can make wine out of it. That's our dream, that we could actually make wine from this grape and sell it under the Historical Society logo.
Until then, you can grow a piece of history in your own home. The newly grown cuttings will be ready for sale this month.
This is a baby, and so it has the potential in an ideal situation to live, a long time as well.
We're covering the news in Wausau. Kailey, Burton, Newswatch 12.